My short hair result after using the Unicara hair dryer, professional hair dryer, DIY at home. So this is a DIY haircut and a DIY hair dryer. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! For today's video, I'll just cut my hair again. So as you can see, sobrang haba na naman niya, di ba? A few months ago, I cut it on my own and then here it is. Ang haba na naman niya ulit, guys. So it's time to cut it much shorter this time. Kasi nafe-feel ko parang lalo na ako nagiging tsaka sa hair ko. Parang lalong ang pangit ko na. Sa totoo lang. Nanay na ako, guys. Dahil Friday ngayon and tomorrow off ko naman, makakapag-relax naman tayo. I decided to cut it shorter this time. Ganun. Wala na akong pagsisisihan kasi ang sagwa na niya talaga eh. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's liit naman ng gunting ko, nakakaloka. Wait lang. So guys, nandyan sa gilid si Baby Tally. Medyo na siya, kalmado siya this time. Sana hanggang mamaya. Pag may marinig kayo sa background, alam nyo na nanonood si Baby Tally. Ay nga pala, for those of you na OFW din, kagaya namin ni Jam, let me just share with you an application on how we send money to the Philippines. So we are using a SendWave app. If you want to get $10 credit, just use our promo code, which is Jhamli. I'll put the link down below and I'll put the code Jhamli, Jhamli, and you can send money to the Philippines actually at no charge. So before, we are using Remit, they charge like $3 or $4. But dito, zero fees. I was happy na in-introduce tong application na to sa amin, yung SendWave. You can just download it through Google App or Apple App Store. And then, you can send money using your debit card. The methods are GCash, cash pickup, or bank transfer. So, they can receive the money within just minutes. It's a rapid transfer. Yan, no charge. Kahit magkano pa i-send mo, walang bayad, guys. I'll link more information down below. Feel free to use our promo code so that you can enjoy a $10 credit. So, kung sino yung pagsasendan nyo, makaka-receive siya ng $10 credit. So, magkano rin yun? 500 pesos din, di ba? Kaya yun. Na-try na namin siya, guys. So, it's legit and you can check the reviews online as well. Okay? Let's go ahead and let's get started. Pawasan natin ang pagpangit ko, guys. Iisiyan na natin yung hair ko na parang sobra akong nagmumukhang papayat lalo sa hair na to. So, layered yung hair ko. Alam niyo naman, if you watch my first video on how I did it, so it's layered. So what I will do is, I'll get the tail of my hair. So ito na yung tail ng hair ko. And ito yung pang-layer natin. gawan lang natin ng paraan para hindi siya magmukhang cut hair. Naano ko lang yung dulo-dulo niya para hindi siya magmukhang cut hair. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo. Tayo sa kabilang side. Ito naman. Dito naman. Ayan. So, ayan. Nakat na yung isa. I-ano naman natin yung ilalim niya.
Oh no!
So basically, ginugupit ko lang yung ilalim sa gitna para hindi siya magmukhang super pantay na pantay yung paggupit, para hindi siya mukhang bagong-bagong gupit. The layer part, alam niyo naman kung paano, di ba? Ito, lagyan mo lang siya dito, then lagyan lang natin. Din. Hanggang dito, di ba? The other one. Mas mahaba lang siya ng konti dun sa nauna. Dito magiging pantay talaga. But, you know, ayokong pumunta sa isang salon at gumastos. Alam mo naman, medyo kuripot tayo. Marami tayong mga bills. Ayoko na makadagdag pa yun para lang sa arte na ito. Parang ayoko itong bibigyan itong mahaba na ito. Design na lang siya, parang buntot. So, ayan na siya. Actually, yan na yung finished ano niya. Ayusin ko na lang siya. Ayan, kakatapos lang natin mag-shower, guys. So I am going to use this Unikara Professional Hair Dryer. Sorry sa if maingay kasi nagpe-play yung Coco-Melon ni Baby. And yung Lulu Kids niya. And sigaw siya na sigaw. Maingay na kasi siya ngayon. Sobrang kulit na ni Baby ngayon. And then, i-connect na natin yung ito niya. Let's puts the nozzle. This is an upgraded, they have upgraded the motor, and this has a ceramic grill technology that locks in hair moisture, so that they can ensure that this is safe to our hair. And they have 3 settings you can choose from. They have the hot, warm, and cool. So I am going to use the cool setting. And if you have a round hairbrush or like a round hairbrush, much better if you would like to put some body on your hair. So let's go ahead and dry my hair. And I'm just going to use the low settings and the cool. So ayan. Guys. By the way, I am not very good with the hair dryer. So, ano siya, okay yung cool settings niya. Hindi mahapde. Siyempre kasi cooler. Mas cooler yung buga ng hangin. Maingay si baby kasi tinuturuan ko siyang mag-sounds. A, B, B, B. So, sa isip na, pinapaulit-ulit yan. Pinapaulit-ulit na ng baby ko. Mabilis siyang, it dries fast, guys. Ayan o. Much better if we have the round brush para if you want somebody on your hair. Parang nagpasalon lang. After ng haircut, hair blower naman, di ba? I like it, huh? I love their hair dryer. So for those of you who would like to check or try their product or interested, you may check them on Instagram and on Amazon. Unicara on Instagram. I'll put their link down below so that you can message them directly and you can check them on Amazon. Look who's here! Tally! We're done with the hair dryer. So here is the finished look. So here is my short hair results after using the Unicara hair dryer, professional hair dryer, DIY at home. So this is a DIY haircut and a DIY hair dryer at home. DIY, I dried my hair at home and I cut my hair short at home. So I'm very happy with the result. So here it is, guys. Yan. I got the volume that I wanted on that hair dryer. Siya. And at the back, let's see.
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you.
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more video related to this, or for more vlogs. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next one. Bye! Thank you, and God bless us all. Bye!